Hello guys, welcome back to the Fitness Song Hub channel, and in this channel I'll be talking about weight loss, fitness, exercises and other tutorials related to health. And today it is a great day because today we'll be talking about 9 types of healthy cheese which helps you to lose some weight. So as we all know that cheese is a dairy product that comes in hundreds of different textures and flavors. It is produced by adding acid or bacteria to milk from various farm animals, then aging or processing the solid parts of the milk. The nutrition and taste of cheese depend on how it is produced and what milk it is used. Eating cheese may even aid weight loss, that's what we're going to talk today, and help prevent heart diseases and osteoporosis. That said, some cheeses are healthier than others, and guys, please stay till the end of this video because I'll be talking about one cheese which is there in the middle of this video which is very healthy and which you should include in your diet or what the food you eat daily, okay? So let's start the video. Let's go with number 1, mozzarella. Mozzarella is a soft, white cheese with high moisture content. It originated in Italy and is usually made from Italian buffalo or cow's milk. Mozzarella is lower in sodium and calories than most other cheeses. 1 ounce, that's 28 grams, of full-fat mozzarella contains calories of 85 grams, protein of 6 grams, fat of 6 grams and carbs of 1 gram. Mozzarella also contains bacteria that acts as probiotics, including strains of Lactobacillus casei and Lactobacillus fermentum. And both animals and human studies show that these probiotics may improve gut health, improve immunity, and fight inflammation in your body. However, 7 to older adults found that drinking 7 ounces of 200 milliliter per day of fermented dairy containing Lactobacillus fermentum for 3 months significantly reduced the duration of respiratory infections compared to not consuming the drink. Therefore, dairy products like mozzarella that contain this probiotic may strengthen your immune system and help fight infections. However, most research is needed, okay? So let's hop on to number 2, blue cheese. Blue cheese is made from cow, goat or even sheep's milk that may be cured with cultures from the mold penicillium, okay? It is typically white with blue or gray veins and spots. The mold used to create blue cheese gives it a distinctive odor and bold, tangy flavor. Blue cheese is very nutritious, although it has a nasty flavor and boasts more calcium than other cheeses. 1 ounce, that is 28 grams of whole milk blue cheese contains calories of 100 grams, proteins of 6 grams, fat of 8 grams and carbs of 1 gram. Since blue cheese is high in calcium, a nutrient necessary for optimal bone health, adding it to your diet may help you prevent bone-related health issues. In fact, adequate calcium intake is linked to reduced risk of osteoporosis, which causes bones to become weak and brittle. Now, let's jump to number 3, feta. Feta is a soft, salty white cheese originally from Greece. It's typically made from sheep's or goat's milk. Sheep's milk gives feta a tangy flavor and a sharp taste, while goat's feta is milder. Okay. And since feta is packaged in brine to prevent freshness, it can be high in sodium. However, it is typically lower in calories than most other cheeses. 1 ounce, 28 grams of full-fat feta cheese provides calories of 80 grams, proteins of 6 grams, fat of 5 grams and carbs of 1 gram. Feta, like all full-fat dairy, produces conjugated linoleic acid CLA, which is associated with reduced body fat and improved body composition. One study in 40 overweight adults found that taking 3.2 grams per day of CLA supplement for 6 months significantly decreased body fat and prevented holiday weight gain compared to placebo. Okay, thus eating CLA containing foods like feta cheese may help in improving body composition. In fact, feta and other types of cheeses which is made from sheep's milk typically have more CLA than other cheeses which is either made from buffalo or even from cow. However, research is limited and has mostly focused on CLA supplements. To add feta cheese to your diet, try crumbling it over salads, adding it to eggs, or whipping it into a dip to eat with fresh vegetables. And friends, this feta cheese is what I have tried in my diet and I've significantly seen a change. So I recommend to use this cheese in your diet. 100% it's effective. Do it. You'll get the taste as well as you'll lose weight. Okay, there is no harm if you use this cheese in your diet daily. Okay. And friends, if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe my channel as I bring out videos thrice a week that will show you how to lose weight, workout tips, fitness tutorial. So do subscribe and click that bell to get notified of my videos. And now let's hop on to number 4, cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a soft white cheese made from loose curds of cow's milk. It is thought to have originated in the United States. Wow! Cottage cheese is much higher in protein than other cheeses. A half cup, that is 110 grams serving of full-fat cottage cheese provides calories of 120 grams, fat of 7 grams, since cottage cheese is high in protein, low in calories, weight loss. Several studies indicate that high protein foods like cottage cheese will increase gains of fullness and help decrease overall calorie intake. A study showed that 30 healthy adults found that cottage cheese is just as filling as an omelette with a similar nutrient composition. With adding cottage cheese to your diet, you may help you feel full after meals and reduce calories. It tastes great. You can spread on toast. You can blend it on sweet smoothies, adding to scrambled egg or simple potatoes. And guys, this is also great cheese you're using if you're going with cheese to lose weight. Okay, you can include this one also into your diet. Let's go to number 5, ricotta. Ricotta is also an Italian cheese which is made from watery parts of cow, goat, sheep, or even Italian water buffalo, and the milk that are left over from making other cheeses. Okay. Ricotta has creamy texture and is often described as a lighter version of cottage cheese. There is a calorie intake of 180 grams per serving, proteins of 12 grams per serving, fat of 12 grams per serving, and carbs 8 grams per serving. And the protein in ricotta cheese is mostly whey. Okay, whey, a milk protein that contains all of the essential amino acids that humans need to obtain from food, where it is easily absorbed and may promote muscle growth, help lower blood sugar levels and blood pressure, and reduce high cholesterol levels. One study shows that in 70 overweight adults found that taking 54 grams of this protein per day for 12 weeks lowered systolic blood pressure by 4% compared to baseline levels. However, this study focused on the supplement rather than the dairy drug. Okay. So if you are into fitness and you want to get fit, have a good muscle, you want to lose weight, then I won't recommend this cheese a lot, but you can have it. Okay. And ricotta cheese tastes delicious in salads, scrambled eggs, pasta, lasagna. It can also be used as a base of cream dips or served with fruit for a sweet and salty snack. Let's go to number 6, Parmesan. Parmesan is a hard aged cheese that has a gritty texture and a salty nutty flavor. It's made from raw, unpasteurized cow's milk that's aged for at least 12 months to kill harmful bacteria and produce a complex flavor. The final product, that is Parmesan, is loaded with nutrients. 1 ounce, that is 28 grams of Parmesan cheese, provides calories 110 grams, protein of 10 grams, fat of 7 grams, carbs of 3 grams, and 1 ounce, that is 28 grams per serving, also contains close to 30% of the RDI phosphorus. Since Parmesan is rich in both calcium and phosphorus, nutrients that play a role in bone formation, that is, it may promote bone health. And the one study shows that in around 5,000 healthy Korean adults found that higher dietary intakes of calcium and phosphorus was significantly associated with better bone mass in certain parts of the body, including the femur, the longest human bone. Finally, since it's aged for a long-term diet, Parmesan is very low in lactose and can usually be tolerated by most people who have lactose intolerance. Okay, if you are scared of dairy products, you can obviously use this cheese. Grated Parmesan can be added to pastas and even pizzas, and you can also sprinkle it on eggs, spread slices, or even cheese board with fruits and nuts. And friends, if you enjoyed watching this video, then please like this video and comment what cheese you eat often. Let me know in the comments below. Now, let's go on to number 7, Swiss. As the name itself suggests, Swiss cheese is originated in Switzerland. This semi-hard cheese is normally made from cow's milk and features a mild nutty taste. Its signature holes are formed by bacteria that releases gases during the fermentation process. 1 ounce, that is 28 grams of Swiss cheese made from the whole milk, contains calories of 111 grams, proteins of 8 grams, fats of 9 grams, carbs less than 1 gram. Since it's lower in sodium and fat than most other cheeses, Swiss is often recommended for anyone who needs to monitor their salt or fat intake, such as people with high blood pressure. What's more, research shows that Swiss cheese hosts various compounds that inhibit angiotensin-converting enzyme ACE, narrows blood vessels and raises blood pressure in your body. Compounds that stifle it may help lower blood pressure. That said, most studies on the effects of Swiss cheese compounds on blood pressure have been isolated to test tubes. Human research is also needed. You may incorporate Swiss cheese into your diet. You can eat it with fruit or adding it to sandwiches, egg bakes, burgers, or even French onion soup. Okay? And let's go to number 8, cheddar. We all know what this cheddar is because it is a widely popular semi-hard cheese which is originated from England. Made from cow's milk that has been matured for several months, which can be white, off-white, or even yellow. The taste of the cheddar depends on the variety, ranging from mild to extra sharp. 1 ounce, that is 28 grams of whole milk cheddar, contains calories of 115 grams, proteins of 7 grams, fats of 9 grams, carbs of 1 gram. In addition to being rich in protein and calcium, cheddar is a good source of vitamin K, especially vitamin K2. Vitamin K is important for heart and bone health. It prevents calcium from being deposited in the walls of your arteries and veins. Inadequate vitamin K levels can cause calcium buildup, inhibiting blood flow and leading to an increased risk of blockages and heart diseases. To prevent calcium deposits, it's important to get enough vitamin K from foods, okay? And in fact, one study, okay, we are always talking about study when we compare cheeses. One study shows that over 16,000 adult women linked higher vitamin K2 intake to a lower risk of developing a heart disease over 8 years. Eating cheddar is one of the ways to increase your vitamin K2 intake. You can add it to vegetable dishes, burgers, eggs, or even sandwiches, whatever you like. Now we'll go on to the last and final cheese, which is good for losing weight. That is goat, also known as chèvre. I don't know if I'm spelling it right. Please bear with me. This is a tangy, soft cheese which is made from goat's milk. As the name itself suggests, it's available in several forms, including spreadable logs, crumbles, and variety made to resemble brie. Goat cheese is highly nutritious with 1 ounce of 28 grams, providing calories of 75 grams, proteins of 5 grams, fats of 6 grams, and carbs 0 grams. Okay, 0 carbs. In addition, goat's milk has medium chain fatty acids than cow's milk. These types of fats are rapidly absorbed in your body and less likely to be stored as fat. And furthermore, if you go, that is, goat cheese may be easier for some people to digest than cheese which is made from cow's milk. This may be because goat's milk is lower in lactose and contains different proteins. In particular, goat cheese contains allot, which may be less inflammatory and less likely to be causing a digestive discomfort than the allot found in cow's milk. Crumbled goat cheese can be added in salads, pizzas, and eggs. What's more, whipped goat cheese makes a delicious dip for a fruit or vegetables. Oh my god, I gotta eat that. I've not tried goat cheese, but I will try it. Most cheeses, okay, are a good source of protein, as we all know. So let's go to summary. That is, most cheeses are a good source of protein and calcium. We all know that. And some offer additional health benefits, as I said, feta, that's good. Parmesan, that is also good. But I would recommend cottage cheese and feta, and sometimes goat is also good, as it contains 0 carbs. And in particular, if we see certain cheeses may provide nutrients that promote gut health, aid weight loss, improve bone health, and decrease your risk of heart disease. So guys, thank you for watching, and do subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, be fit, stay safe, stay healthy.